Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by because I've got a package from Temu. I am part of the affiliate program on Temu. So this will be a sponsored video. I ordered some resin. This is shrink plastic film. I do have shrink plastic film. Clear and frosted. The clear is almost impossible to find nowadays. I will find it eventually, I promise. But anyway, I ordered the frosted shrink plastic film. This is 10 sheets. I'm super excited to do this. I have I have quite a bit of experience with shrink plastic film, so this won't be a new thing for me, even if it will for y'all. Okay, so we're gonna have fun with this. And then I ordered, these are just a repeat order. These are the stainless steel rhinestone earring posts. A really large rhinestone, and not that great a color, but you don't see that when they're actually in your ears or even on the card. So stainless steel, they should be hypoallergenic and yada yada. So I got them in silver and in gold. Okay, I think there's 20 of each. Let me see what it says. It doesn't say anything. It just says they're golden. But I believe there's 20. So I got 40 of each. I know y'all can't see me, but I'm bowing my head. I was trying to order. Alright, I'm gonna show you. I got these from Temu before. Now, there's stuff in here that didn't come with the kit, but okay. These are the little transparent earring stoppers. Okay. Now these are pretty small, but they're about the size of a regular earring stopper. Okay. Well, let's put that down right there. What they sent me was actually the exact same ones I ordered last time. And they are tiny. T90. I would say these are the size for child earrings, if that. They look like doll earrings. Somehow I'm going to make them work now that I have so many of them. But they're not what I expected them to be. Okay, just get that out of the way. I can't imagine how many people have returned these because of the size. They're ridiculous. They're ridiculous. Super excited about this. Kind of disappointed about this. The earring posts, I was expecting that. Okay, now. This is another one. I was slightly disappointed in the size. I won't lie. But hey, it is for review, so this is the Temu I cannot read what that says actually. Let me see. Cast Cure epoxy resin. Okay, so we're going to give this a try. As small an amount as it might be. And it came with gloves, a scraper that I have a bazillion of by now, pipettes, lollipop sticks, popsicle sticks we call them here in the US, these 2 tiny little cups, and finger cots. Okay. So that I'm excited about, even if it was smaller than I expected it to be. I just should have read better. I probably did, but just didn't pay attention. Okay, so that's that one. This was the UV resin. I'm actually super impressed with this, okay? First of all, because it came with all of this. A UV resin bottle and a top and another top. Okay, one appears to be a larger hold top and a smaller hold top, or maybe that's it. One is for the actual UV resin bottle and one is for that. Then it came with 2 of these little precision tip bottles. That I am super excited about. That really impresses me. Super impressed with that. And then here is the UV resin. Okay, UV resin, 500 grams. Now this is my normal UV resin. What do y'all think? I don't know. Looks really similar. If it is, I'll be even more impressed. Okay, that's it. Okay, and for those of you that are wondering about Temu, don't be worried about buying from Temu. The products, just like everywhere else, there's good and there's bad. But like Amazon or eBay or Etsy, it's lots of different sellers that are all selling through Temu. Temu collects the money and then pays all their sellers. The sellers themselves are the ones that have the products, be they good or be they bad. But most everywhere you buy from here in the States is buying their stuff from the same Chinese suppliers that Temu has. So you can buy the same molds from Amazon or Temu. No difference except the price. You may have to wait a little longer for them to be delivered, but that's what you're paying for if you're buying off of Amazon. You're paying for faster shipping. The people selling on Amazon have to make a markup too, so you have to factor that into your equation. Even if just to try it out, okay? Now, the things like the resin and stuff that are basically a no-name, that you're making a bit more of a gamble on. But just to try it out, like a small amount like I ordered myself, just don't worry about that. Just try it out. If you don't like it, just don't order it again. Okay? Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video that you watch. Thank you to Temu. Bye for now.